Okay, so you guys probably think that I failed the Vlogmas, well, I did, but like I purposely did it. Bear with me. So what you're gonna watch now is the footage that I like recorded 2 days ago that I was supposed to post yesterday, but I wanted to add this to the beginning of this Vlogmas, which is gonna be sadly one of the last ones till like next week. I apologize, but like I know Vlogmas is like every day and I just think it's boring. Like I don't do anything in my life that's really fun, and I feel like I don't want to like mess up my channel posting garbage. So I don't want to do Vlogmas when it's boring. I want to do some other things. So like when I go home, I might do like a gingerbread house competition or try to make like peppermint mocha or something like that. Just some fun things that I also need to decorate for Christmas. So I mean, I would decorate for Christmas here, but it's literally gonna be like string lights and garbage, so like it's nothing really cool and fun. So I don't want to post garbage vlogs for you guys. It was really fun just vlogging every single day, made me really productive, made me really have fun, but I don't go anywhere. I'm doing my finals now. I literally stay at home, record and study, and that's it. So I mean, there's nothing really to vlog, so I am sorry, but we will be back like maybe next week doing something. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something, probably decorate for Christmas when I go back home. So I just want to add this to the beginning of this vlog, and this vlog is titled probably my apartment tour. So I did give you guys an apartment tour, so hope you enjoy, and I will see you guys next week with a actual fun video that will actually be nicely edited and just be more fun. So I'm sorry, but I hope you enjoy this new Vlogmas. It's gonna be like a weekly Vlogmas or something like that. I don't know, but let's just get into the Vlogmas from 2 days ago. So don't mind what day I'm saying, but yeah.
So I tried making pancakes, but they're all like horribly shaped because they kept getting stuck to the pan, and I even put like stuff to like not make it stick, and I don't know why, but I got my coffee as well, and we're gonna watch some shows because you know me and my shows.
Happy Vlogmas day 9. Oh my gosh, we are almost to the double digits. That is insane. But anyways, today I thought I would show you guys my apartment because so many people have been asking, and I said I would. So here we are, we're finally doing the apartment tour because I feel like no one's at home. Hopefully nobody comes, and yeah, let's just go into it. I'm not gonna do my room since I already did a tour of my room on my other channel. If you want to check out that video, I'll probably go find it and put it in the description. If I forget to, let me know. But anyways, let's just get started. Here's the main area. I'm just gonna turn on all the lights apparently. There we go. So here is the main door right there. We have a bunch of trash here. I need to take out the trash. Don't look at it. And that's the area that you walk into. Then you go this way. That is a room, not my room. It's a roommate's room. And then we have this area over here, which we can't really open. I think it's all the cooling vent things and stuff like that. And then from there, from that, we can go this way, and we have the kitchen, which is pretty nice. You know, we have a bunch of food here. Here's my place. It's very messy. We don't need to talk about it, but we got food, so that's what matters. And then we have, you know, the goods. We got the fridge and stuff like that. And then here is my little area back here. We have my Keurig and some sugar and my coffee cups that aren't there because they're in the dishwasher, which I need to unload because we just ran it. And then we have this area where we have all the toast. We have bananas in there. I need to go get some more. And we just put stuff there. And yeah, and then over here we have plates and boxes. That one's not mine, and none of these are mine, just this one. And then I have coffee under there, and then we have coffee in here as well. And then we have spoons and things in there, not mine either. So I only have that one, this one, and these two. So yeah, and then we have our stove. We have some more stuff. Nothing is mine there. And then we have our sink and the dishwasher. So there we have the kitchen, and then we go over here. We have the living room. So this is actually the laundry, which I can open. There you go. Nothing really interesting. So we have that in there, and then we have some stools, which are really uncomfortable, but you know, it's fine. And then we have the living room, which we have the TV, the couch, really nice. We have an ugly view. The view is kind of bad, but you know what? It's a view, and that's what matters. It's not that bad, but it's kind of bad. So, you know, there's some people walking we love, and yeah, that's what we have. That's another person's room as well. So then we have this whole area, and then we have my room. So if you guys were wondering, yes, I do live with 2 other people. It is a 3x3, and how you calculate is that 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So everyone has their own bathroom, own rooms. It's amazing. And then we just have 2 other people, which I see sometimes, and sometimes I don't. So it's pretty nice. People were asking if I had roommates or not. I got 2. but like I get my own room now. So if you guys didn't know, this is my sophomore year of college. So in the first year I did have a dorm, and those vlogs, some of them are up on this channel, but I also have some on my main channel because I used to put vlogs up there. And people were asking me, where's your roommate and stuff like that. I only lived there for a year. I would not live there again. And she also moved out like the last 2 months. If you guys didn't watch that video, you should. It's like why my roommate left or whatever. Like she left because apparently I was a bad roommate. She was the bad roommate, let me tell you, just the tea. But if you want to know that drama, you can check out those videos. But that's basically the apartment. I thought it would take longer to show you guys, but it's not that big. I mean, it's a nice size. It's decent, but like it's not the biggest, you know? Thumbnail. Hello. Ooh, yes. Okay. I'm gonna turn off the lights because we gotta pay the bills here. So we're gonna make it dark again. There we go. We have some sunlight and that's what matters. And yeah, I don't keep my window open if you guys notice, because everybody can see everybody. Like if you like look out the window, you can see everybody through other people's windows. So if I open it, people can see my whole entire room and what I'm doing. So I don't really turn it on anymore. Open it anymore. But anyways, it is 11:38. I have a late start to the day. Like I said yesterday, I think. I haven't edited that vlog yet either, but my classes are over. Like I'm done with classes. This whole week is just finals and stuff like that for people, so I didn't have anything to do. So I was just watching The Vampire Diaries in my bed. I did have breakfast. I showed you guys that, my pancakes. They were good, but they were really ugly looking, so there's that. But now I am going to record a main channel video, edit that, let it render, and while it's rendering, I'm gonna go run to Starbucks because I want some more coffee. I have a Starbucks addiction problem. Please save me, but I want a vanilla latte, okay? I love vanilla lattes, but also I'm like having a major breakdown down here. I think it's just the stress because I always get it. I even got it last semester and the semester before that. Every single time it's finals week, I get a bunch down here. This part is totally like stressful related. The rest is just something else, but I'm having a major breakdown. Sort of, I've been putting masks on and stuff like that, and they've been helping, so it's not the worst thing. Last year was like even worse, so pretty happy with how minimal it is. So I'm gonna go work on my video, and then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, I just finished recording and editing, so it is now rendering. It's only 12:14. That video didn't take that long to record. It was actually really fun to record. It's Hack Monday. I'm not gonna talk about Bloxburg. I keep saying that I'm not gonna talk about my Roblox channel, but it's such a big part of my life that how am I not supposed to talk about it? Okay, I'll stop because I really don't want to make this channel into Robloxy. But I just got my laundry out of the dryer, so maybe I should put these clothes away. But I'm a lazy bum and I don't want to do that, so I don't know. Maybe I should turn off my camera and my light, of course. So let me go do that. Lights, camera, action. I can literally do that. Like turn on my lights, camera, turn on my camera, and action. That'd be really funny. But yeah, so what do I need to do now? I don't really have any plans today. I just want to get some coffee. I want a latte so bad, so maybe I'm gonna go there right now and get a latte. I'm also really hungry, so I'll probably have some lunch as well. So yeah, that's my plans for right now. And then I don't know, I don't really want to go study today, so we'll see though. Oh my gosh, my geology professor just sent a message, no class today. Yeah, I thought we already knew that, but okay, I will be on travel the next few days, but try my best. Okay, so we don't have class today. I thought we already said that, but I guess people didn't know. So yeah, I'm gonna go to Starbucks. Okay, I'm back from Target. I'm kind of an idiot. Also, my room smells like pancakes, so I really need to like take this and put it in the oh my gosh, put it in the dishwasher. I need to empty the dishwasher. I got syrup on my thing. Okay, I'm a horrible vlogger. Let me live. Okay, anyways, I made a little boo-boo. First of all, let me put this down. I am dying right now. Okay, so basically, as you guys know, I wanted a vanilla latte. I'm one of those idiots. When I order, I don't change it because I'm like, did I say it right? Oh well, I don't like want to like repeat it. I'm one of those shy people, you know. So I got an iced coffee instead. I was like, I want a vanilla iced coffee instead of vanilla iced latte. Vanilla latte, that's what I was trying to get, and I got this. I get this anyways because I like black coffee, but like I wanted a latte, but this is healthier-ish, so it's okay, and it tastes good, so it's fine. And then I got bread because I'm out of bread. And then I made pasta like 2 days ago and I have so much pasta, so I don't know why I got more pasta, but it's like a better pasta because it has cheese and stuff on it. And I didn't want my pasta because my pasta is gross, so I'm gonna make this for lunch because I'm hungry. And then I also got some yogurt for fun because I don't know, I like yogurt, so I got some of those. So that's my little Target haul if you guys wanted to know what I got. So I'm gonna pop my lunch in the microwave, empty the dishwasher, put some things in the dishwasher, and then call it a day. So we're gonna do that, and then I'll watch an episode, and then we'll edit my vlog. Yes, I put bread in the fridge right away because it's just me eating it, so it goes bad. So I put it in the fridge. Where do you put your bread? We usually keep it out like at home, like it was usually out, but now my mom keeps it in the fridge too because it goes bad so fast. I feel like it's just because like where we live, like Texas is just so humid. I don't know where y'all live, but you know, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Hi guys, I don't remember when I last recorded and my music's too loud again. I cannot talk. Okay, so it's 5:27. I am so mad at myself. I have been so lazy for the past 2 days and I'm so mad at myself. I haven't worked out, I haven't done anything, and I'm just like in a slump, you know, like to be honest, to be fair, I worked a lot like this weekend. I mean like did things, you know, like I didn't do like my routine, but I did things, you know, like I went places, I studied, I did my uploads. I had to do 2 uploads each day. I was supposed to upload 2 videos today on my main channel, but the other one's corrupted, so I can't upload that one. I'm trying to fix it. I tried fixing it for like an hour, so I did some work. I was trying to fix my stupid corrupted file, so I didn't get to fix it. I hope it's fixed. I did something else that's loading now, but I don't think that's gonna go up today. I finished my other video. I recorded it, I edited it, I rendered it. It's up already. It's not up, but like it's 1 click away. Made my thumbnail for it, so it's all ready to go, so I'm proud of that. But it's 5:27 like I said, and I haven't edited my vlog. I think my vlog channel is just draining me. Vlogmas is hard, guys. I am sorry, but I will be getting these videos up. I need to go edit now, but I think that's what I'm gonna do because my friend's coming over around like 6-ish. I said after 6, I don't know when, but after 6, and we're gonna watch that Christmas movie that I was talking to you about. I don't know when I was talking to you about it, but I did. So yeah, so we're gonna watch that. That shall be fun, and that's my day so far. I've just been really lazy. I've been just watching Netflix, and I mean, I did some stuff, but like I haven't been productive like all the way. I think I need to get back into waking up at 6, but the problem with that is that I just don't have much to do. I mean, sure, I can study, but like I'm gonna study all day, so like, I don't know. I mean, I feel productive when I wake up at 6. And I just got cut off because I didn't delete like half my footage. So I just deleted like a ton of footage. Hopefully I didn't delete anything from yesterday. But anyways, what was I saying? I don't even know what I was saying. I was saying that I'm lazy and stuff like that. So I'm gonna edit my vlog. Okay, we're gonna go edit my vlog and then we're gonna be productive. I put a face mask on because my face is disgusting, like always. So yeah, we're gonna edit this vlog and be productive. Okay, just gonna drag my butt over here. And let's go. Oh, I have to get up again. I forgot my SD card reader. I hate you, MacBook. Why don't you have plugs? Making me buy so many stupid things, you know? Oh, gross disgustingness. You know, Apple, I will love you if you send me. I just got face mask on me. I'm having an itchy nose. Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, if Apple is watching this, I love you. You should send me the new AirPods. I'm just kidding. They're never gonna do that. But anyways, I'm gonna go edit. Okay, so I just not uploaded my vlog. Oh my gosh, I just edited my vlog, so now it's rendering. So we got that going, and then I just remembered I don't really know what to make this topic into because I'm literally doing nothing. Like in this vlog, I'm literally recording videos and talking about what I do. I mean, it's just so bad. Like today, like what am I? Oh yeah, today was a room tour, so like. Not a room tour, apartment tour, so at least I have like a topic. This video literally has no topic, and like I don't know what to call it. I don't know what to say about it, you know, like I don't know, man. So we're gonna call it a lazy day or something. Oh, that's actually a good day. Word. Okay, yeah, we're gonna go with that. So anyways, I'm doing that, and yeah, there's an update. I should drink some water. Look at me forgetting to drink water every day. I want to go drink some water because staying hydrated here. And it's completely dark. I feel like there's no one in this apartment, to be honest, like ever, because I don't know. There's like no one here this week, which I'm fine with, to be honest. But we're gonna have some water. I need to fill this back up, but yeah. I'm hungry, but I'm not hungry. Like, I just had a bunch of chips. I'm gonna make myself not eat till like 7, which is kind of bad. You guys are gonna be like, you should eat if you're hungry, but like, I'm not hungry, you know, like when you just want a snack or something. That's the hungry I am right now, which means that you're not hungry. I think I'm just thirsty because I haven't drank water today, so we're going to hydrate ourselves. There we go. Cheers. If you haven't drank some water, go drink some water. Okay, let's go back into my humble abode. I should have turned off the light, but I don't want to walk back, so we're just... Oh, it finished rendering. Okay, my video finished rendering. As you can see, it just like pops up when it's done. So we're going to upload it. I'm just gonna use like a frame picture for my thumbnail because I literally don't have pictures of anything from yesterday. So I'm gonna go do that and I'll be back.